America became the richest and most powerful country in history, but its rise was anything but simple. After North America was discovered, the world largely ignored it for almost a century. This was the map made right before Columbus set sail. Vikings claimed they had seen some island out west, but no one realized it was an entire continent. Columbus believed sailing west would take him to Asia. Instead, he reached islands in the Caribbean. No spices, but he insisted he was near India, so he called the locals Indians. The King of Spain asked, "Where are the spices?" Columbus replied, "No spices, but there's gold." That was enough for Spain. They sent more expeditions immediately. Portugal had already reached Asia around Africa. Soon, Spain and Portugal divided the world between them. Half for each empire. Spain focused on South America and the Caribbean, rich in population, gold, and silver. North America seemed worthless to them. England tried once, then vanished for a century. Their first colony, Roanoke, mysteriously disappeared. Later, Jamestown survived. Pilgrims settled in Plymouth. Slowly, the East Coast filled with British colonies. The French took the entire central region of North America. French and native allies versus British colonies and their native allies. The British won simply because their population was larger. France gave half of Louisiana to Spain and half to Britain. Canada also went to Britain. But the war left Britain in heavy debt. Britain demanded taxes. Colonists replied, "We can't vote in Parliament. We're not paying." The argument exploded into revolution. 1776, Declaration of Independence. 5 more years of war. Finally, America won and built a new government. In 1789, George Washington became the first president. Back then, the U.S. was tiny. Spain still owned most of the land. Napoleon took Louisiana from Spain and planned an empire in America. The U.S. only wanted New Orleans. Instead, Napoleon offered all of Louisiana. $15 million later, America doubled in size. American families grew fast. Land was limited. People moved west, and conflicts with native tribes began. In 1819, the U.S. bought Florida. Mexico allowed Americans to settle in Texas. Soon, Americans outnumbered locals. Texas declared independence, then joined the U.S. This triggered war with Mexico. After the war, America paid $15 million and took half of Mexico. Britain finally agreed to divide Oregon. Everything south of the line became American. Within 50 years, the U.S. stretched from the Atlantic to the Pacific. Next came small Pacific islands, mostly for bird droppings used as fertilizer. The Guano Islands Act still exists today. 1848. Gold was discovered in California. The country surged in population and wealth. But slavery created deep divisions. Northern and southern states clashed over slavery. Lincoln's election pushed the South to secede. A brutal civil war followed. The North won. Slavery ended. The nation barely stayed united. Russia sold Alaska to America for $7 million. American traders in Hawaii wanted annexation. A president refused, out of fairness. Others feared Japan or Germany might take Hawaii, so the debate grew. Cuba was fighting for freedom. American newspapers covered it daily. Then a U.S. warship exploded. America told Spain, "Leave Cuba." The war was short. America took Cuba, Puerto Rico, and the Philippines, ending Spain's empire. Around the same time, Hawaii was annexed as well. After a presidential assassination, Theodore Roosevelt took office. He strengthened the Navy and became active in global politics. He helped Panama gain independence just to build the canal. And this is how the United States rose, step by step, into a global superpower. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.